What are the worst foods for fatty liver? The liver plays a vital role in the body. It produces bile to aid in fat digestion, stores energy, and removes toxins. Essentially, it filters harmful substances from the blood and converts them into harmless compounds. However, a poor diet or excessive alcohol intake can damage the liver. Detecting liver problems isn't always easy since symptoms often don't appear until the condition becomes serious. Typically, liver health is evaluated through medical tests that measure enzyme levels, and sometimes an ultrasound is needed to diagnose diseases like fatty liver, which often has no symptoms. What is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease occurs when fat builds up in liver cells. There are two main types: alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD, caused by excessive alcohol consumption. When the liver breaks down alcohol, harmful substances can form, damaging liver cells, causing inflammation, and weakening the immune system. This can lead to alcoholic hepatitis and cirrhosis. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, not related to alcohol use. According to the U.S. National Library of Medicine, NAFLD can range from simple fatty liver, fat accumulation with little or no inflammation or damage, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, fat buildup with inflammation and cell damage, which can progress to fibrosis, scarring, cirrhosis, or even liver cancer. Foods to avoid for fatty liver. To protect and support liver health, the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases recommends making dietary changes such as reducing fat intake, replacing saturated and trans fats with healthy unsaturated fats, choosing foods with a low glycemic index, avoiding sugary and alcoholic beverages. Here are the foods you should avoid if you have fatty liver. Alcohol, the liver's worst enemy. Alcohol not only causes alcoholic fatty liver, but also worsens non-alcoholic fatty liver by increasing triglycerides and producing toxic substances that damage liver cells. Sugar. A high-sugar diet promotes fat accumulation in the liver and increases inflammation. Salt. Too much salt leads to fluid retention and weight gain, forcing the liver to work harder and potentially contributing to liver disease. Red meat. Rich in saturated fats, red meat can promote fatty liver. It's better to choose lean meats like chicken or turkey. Processed meats, sausages, hot dogs, etc. These are high in saturated fats and additives that increase the risk of liver fat buildup. Full-fat dairy products, whole milk, cream, and fatty cheeses, like Gouda, Brie, Emmental, or Parmesan, are high in saturated fat and cholesterol. Choose fat-free or low-fat dairy instead. Industrial baked and processed foods, ultra-processed snacks and pastries contain unhealthy fats and sugars that promote fat accumulation around the liver and contribute to obesity. The foods listed above are particularly harmful to liver health. Avoid them as much as possible and choose fresh, wholesome foods that help cleanse and protect your liver. If you found this information useful, consider subscribing to our channel and commenting "Yes" to let us know. Your support motivates us to keep creating health-focused content.